everybody. Today I will show you how to root your Asus FonePad 7. It's a very easy process. At first, below in the description you will find I have given you a link to download a particular file. If you check in my desktop, this is the file and that says MA371MG. This is a particular file, that the link that are given below in the description to download. Once you download, you just need to copy this particular file. Just copy it in the micro SD card of your tablet memory. See, I have connected my tablet via the cable to my laptop. You can connect it, and after that you just go to the micro SD portion and you just paste the file that I have copied from there. So just going over there, I'm just pasting it. It says I have already copied it, so it's just telling me to replace. I don't want to replace. Let me just show you. I have copied the particular file over here, and yeah, here it is, a file in the micro SD portion. Okay, once it's copied, you just close this folder and just plug out your tablet from the laptop. Okay, now your process with the laptop is done. After that, what you need to concentrate is you need to do is that you just power off your Asus FonePad using the power button. Yeah, it says power off. Yeah, I'm just powering it off. Just give it some time to shut down. Yeah, now it's shut down. Now once it's shut down, you just need to press some combination of the keys. At first I will just hit the volume up and the power key at the same time. See, I'm just pressing the volume up and the power button at the same time. Keep on pressing them, you will get a vibration, and after that this particular Asus screen will come. Once it comes, you can let go of that switches and just wait for the tablet to respond. It will say no USB cable connected, so that is fine. Actually I want it this way actually. Now once this particular screen is here, what you need to do is just press the volume down key at first and then press the volume up key once and just leave it. See, I'm pressing the volume down key at first and then the volume up key. Okay, again, yeah. Now you will see, once you do that, this particular screen comes. The touch won't work over here. You just need to navigate using the volume up and down key, and executable will be done via the power button. It's written over here also. Select volume up or down and execute power. So here you will find options like reboot, boot, droid boot, reboot, factory reset, SD download, power off. You remember we have put that particular downloaded file in our SD folder, so I just need to go to SD download. I'm just navigating using the volume down key, and once it goes to SD download, I'm just selecting it using the power button. See, over here you will see that I have selected SD download over here, so I'm just pressing the power button to start. Okay, at the bottom of the screen you will see that it has started verifying the sums, the stuffs like that. What it will do is that it will actually fast boot and also flash the entire memory of your tablet, and it will root your tablet from its core. So you just need to give it some time. The only process you need to do is just sit and wait and check the steps that are going on. It will actually prompt you also. Now it's verifying the checksum, and after that it will flash the memories, everything, and it will set its own stops while booting the entire tablet. So just need to be patient. We can just wait for it. Just for your see the status changed. You will see that the find partitions, the partitions finds, and the flashing of the partitions are going on right now. Now the droid boot is being flashed. So you will see at the bottom of the screen the steps are going. I'm not doing anything, it's going on in its own. What I'm doing is just waiting and just seeing that what at last it says flash system. So give it some time, let the full system of the tablet be flashed. Just have your patience. For your sake, I'm just keeping the video on so that you all get a full idea that what it is like, how it is being done actually, so that not a single process is being left out. Just in the meantime, since this flashing part is going on, what I need to make sure is that make sure you go through the video continuously till you are 100% sure, and once you are sure, you go ahead and follow the steps mentioned over here. Just root your tablet Asus SpoonPad using the steps over here. Let me warn you that once you root your tablet, you are actually voiding its warranty. The warranty becomes null and void, so it's entirely your responsibility. I guess once you are pretty much sure to root your device, it's pretty okay to go ahead with this, so not an issue with that. But of course, end of the day, it's your device, and the decisions that you make will be entirely yours. Okay, now you see the status change to flash recovery, the finding partition, the flash radio. So the radio is being flashed currently. So yeah, pretty much the systems are going on, so you can be sure you just sit back and relax. Just follow the video. I know it's a lengthy process, it's a time consuming process. Okay, now it says update full image finished. So you will see after that it's finished, your tablet will boot on its own. Yeah, the Asus screen comes. So actually it assures you that the rooting process has been done in your tablet, but still, to be 100% sure, I'll just show you how we can go through it. Just it will act, it will read your device like as if it is for the first time it's booting and all. But be assured that all your existing apps will be intact, no data will be lost, no apps will be lost, everything will be there. So you don't need to worry about that. Only your tablet will be rooted, sorry. Yeah, so it's asking for my combination right now. I'll give it like that. Give it some time to read the data and stuff like that. It's okay, it's just Asus Studio Store, maybe our software, it's not a big deal. Okay, give it some time. Just give it some time to make the tablet fully ready. So the battery percentage, the stuff like that comes along, that makes sure that your tablet is fully ready to use actually. Yeah, okay, so now what I've done is that previously, beforehand only, I have actually installed an app that says Root Checker. This particular app will check whether your device is being successfully rooted or not. So I'm just pressing that. Oh sorry, I just need to make sure that my Wi-Fi is turned on. Okay, pretty good. Okay, now I just need to hit check over here in the root check. Just give it some time. It will check that whether your entire tablet is being rooted successfully or not. Okay, now you see over here it says root access granted. So if it says access granted over here, that means that assures you that your device is being successfully rooted. Okay, so that's it guys. It's pretty simple, very easy. Just follow the video, follow the steps, and get your Asus SpoonPad rooted. Okay guys, please like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting updates to come as the days goes by. Thanks for watching the video.